Hello, folks. Hello, my name is Benjamin Z. Miller, and in this video, I am going to answer the question, what factors contributed to the sell-off in the US Treasury market, and how does that sell-off in the US Treasury market compare to the situation in the UK Gilt market last year? So good question. All right, so first, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this video. So the answer is the recent sell-off in the U.S. fixed income market, specifically the U.S. Treasury market, has been influenced by several factors. One of the key drivers is the increased budget deficit in the United States, which has raised concerns about the fiscal situation in non-recessionary or non-crisis times. Some of the deficit increases can be attributed to delayed tax receipts due to winter storms, but there are also questions about whether there has been genuine stealth fiscal easing in response to the deficit. The market has been uncertain about the exact breakdown between delayed tax receipts and actual fiscal easing. In contrast, back in September and October of last year, the UK Gilt market faced a crisis due to fears of heavy extra gilt supply triggered by an ambitious pro-growth budget supported by the new UK Prime Minister and Chancellor. The sudden fears of increased gilt supply led to a surge in yields, which was magnified by liabilities-driven investment issues. This crisis resulted in liquidity problems for UK asset managers, Bank of England intervention, mass political regulations, and ultimately a complete U-turn on the budget. It is worth noting that while there are some similarities in terms of concerns over increased government debt issuance, there are also important differences between the UK and US situations. The US dollar has strengthened during the recent sell-off, which is different from what happened in the UK when sterling slumped. Additionally, liability-driven investment issues played a much smaller role in the US Treasury market compared to the UK Gilt market, so it's unlikely to have the same snowball effect. Overall, while there are potential parallels to watch, the scale and dynamics of the US Treasury market differ from the UK Gilt market, making it a complex and uncertain situation to navigate. You know, folks, if you're listening to that and you're thinking, well, that's interesting, but what does it mean and how do I make any money on it? You should join my group, the Benjamin Z. Miller Investor Networking Group. Just go to www.benjaminzmiller.com and fill out the contact form. You can start coming to some of our free investor networking meetings where you can get some education on these and other topics, and you can meet a lot of investors from around the world. Just go to Google and do a search for Benjamin Z. Miller Investor Networking Group, and you can join the group and you can start coming to the meetings. It's completely free. I hope that helps, and I wish you good luck with your investing.